Logan is named for a type of local Wolverine. I'm here to do a photo recreation. I don't particularly enjoy these. I only had a couple of mine for this trip, but one was Arcadia and it was dark. Anyway, it's the best I could do. If you want to watch some more of what you've just been watching, some full episodes, some highlights, some dash cam footage of railway stuff, then just click on the links and ring the bell, okay? There's plenty to check out. Cheers.